So I'm at my friend's today and he's invited me to eat. It's unplanned curry today. So he's cooking mutton today. It's goat curry, isn't it? Is it goat or sheep?
Goat curry.
Goat curry. So we're gonna have goat curry. So I'm gonna quickly see what he's doing. Let's see. So he has boiled this goat. It's about 500 grams. Just in the. It looks like in turmeric, is it?
Turmeric.
And what else? Just salt.
Turmeric, then salt, mutton masala,
And that's it. Yeah, and
also yogurt.
Yogurt as well. So that's what's boiled. And in here we have grinded onion, and we also have tomato puree. Now he's doing the spice. So that's 2 spoons of red chili, 1 spoon of turmeric, 2 spoon of coriander powder, salt to taste. And now we also, let me have a look. What's that? That's the meat masala. So that's the easy recipe. Now, as you know, we don't like to use any measurement. So there you go. Couple of spoon of meat masala. We also have some more masala. Let me have a look. What's that? That's chicken masala. Okay, we're cooking meat, but we have some chicken masala to go with it as well. We're gonna saute this for a bit until it sticks to the pan. We added some water as it was sticking on the pan. So we're going to add now the meat with the rest of the water. And it's with the bones. I love the meat with the bones. It's already smelling really nice. It's very simple recipe, as you just saw. Just a few spices. You could take a chopped onion, I suppose. You don't have to grind it, isn't it?
Yes.
How is it? Spicy? So he's adding some more red chili. And that's it, I think.
Add some water.
I think we can have some more water. This is enough to eat with rice and naan bread. But we're going to eat this with the typical bread, which is called rotla, which is quite thick. So it's really nice if the gravy is slightly watery side, because it helps you to crumble the rotlas and eat it like a scrambled rotla. So that's really nice. So we're gonna have a bit of watery gravy, and we'll just leave it to simmer now for 10-15 minutes. Okay, so it's about 20 minutes now. It's simmering. Look at that. It's nicely done. And the consistency is really nice. We should be able to scramble some rotlas with it. Brilliant, it's ready to eat. We can garnish some fresh coriander on it and some green chili, but we are going to avoid them, won't we? Scramble this into this curry. And that's the best way to eat it. You just scramble this rotlas. And I'm just gonna scramble with my fingers. I'm not gonna use the spoon. And that's how I'm gonna scramble it. So I hope you really like this recipe from my best friend Snehal. So thank you very much, Snehal.
You're welcome.